Hello mga kalupad. Okay? We are nearing the graduation ceremony here at Liceo de Cagayan University. So by the end of the month, there are about 580 of students who will be graduating. Okay? And many of them have stories to tell. There is somebody who mentioned that he has been a manager for more than 10 years, but he cannot get the post of a director because he does not have a degree. He is therefore stuck in his career. Now, I told him to stop worrying, okay? You continue to study and you try equivalating. Have you ever heard of Republic Act 121/24, which is the ATF law? So through the ATF law, you can go back to school while working. There would be no hindrance to your work. Okay, you can continue working at the same time, earn a degree, and that is because of equivalating mechanism under Republic Act 121/24. Somebody mentioned, sir, is that a shortcut? Okay, kidding aside, I told him no. But, if you say ATF, sabi ko, we can chop it into 1 year, especially here at Liceo de Cagayan University. I-chop na yan. I-chop. Shorten it. The 4-year schooling can be shortened into just 1 year. Is that a shortcut? Is that a diploma meal? No, it is perfectly and absolutely legitimate because of Republic Act 121/24 and the mother executive order by former late President Ramos, and that is Executive Order 330. Now, the expanded tertiary education equivalency and accreditation program is basically based on andragogy. Okay? It is the science of how adults learn. There is therefore a supporting theory on adult learning, and we call that as andragogy. Now, that is our general framework. Specifically, there are a lot of experiential learning theories that acknowledges acquisition of knowledge not only through books but through experience. So that would be our next topic soon. It's about experiential learning theory. That is basically learning by doing. So I told the person, you have been a manager for 10 years. You are very adept, skillful in your the practice of managerial career. You are also very good. You're street smart. You have the knowledge, the skills necessary to get a degree. So he enrolled in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Development Management. This is one of the courses that we offer here at Liceo de Cagayan University. Aside from marketing management, financial management, Bachelor of Arts in Pol Sci, Political Science, International Studies, Communication, Literature and Performing Arts, majoring in dance, theater, and English literature. So what we are doing here at Liceo is legitimate. It's based on Republic Act 121/2024. So your career, we consider them as your classroom. So you don't have to go back to school for 4 years. We will bring the school to you. We will try to upgrade your life. So what are you waiting for? Lupad na mga igsoon, lupad na. Come to Liceo de Cagayan University. Your experience is the new diploma. Lupad na.